I calculate zakat annually on the first of Ramadan. I give some amount during Ramadan and try to keep some funds to be dispersed during the year. That is until next first Ramadan. Reason I feel that zakat is mostly distributed during Ramadan, hence I aim to hold and give zakat funds during the next 11 months. Kindly advise if that is okay. Jazakallahu. Regarding the question that you calculate zakat on the first of Ramadan, there is no problem. And then you give only part of it in the month of Ramadan and the balance you give in the span of next 11 months till the first Ramadan, so that you can distribute it and you can choose the right people, select the people. Is it permissible? No, it's not permissible. You cannot delay giving your zakat. If you have calculated that your zakat due on the first of Ramadan, see to it you give immediately. A few days or a couple of weeks, no problem till you find the right person. But you cannot say that I will give after 1 month or 2 months, leave aside 11 months. Suppose there is some wealth that you have got in the month of Rajab. You cannot say when Rajab comes, okay, I'll wait for a few months and in Ramadan I'll give. That's not possible. Okay, if you got the wealth in the second half of Shaban and then next second half of Shaban, 1 lunar year is completed and zakat is due, and then you say, okay, I'll wait for a couple of days till Ramadan comes, it is acceptable. You cannot delay giving your zakat unless you have a valid reason that, okay, you don't have liquid cash on the spot, or maybe you could not find the right poor people to give. But generally, zakat should be given every lunar year, and once you calculate it, it should be given immediately within the next few days or a couple of weeks. You cannot delay it for too long. Regarding a question that many people give in Ramadan, so I want to spread it out over the year, it's very good. In that case, I would advise you that this Ramadan, if you have calculated, give everything in the month of Ramadan. And you know approximately that every year, approximately how much zakat you give. If this year you gave approximately $5,000, so next year also will be approximately $5,000, or would be 6,000, or would be 4,000. So whatever wealth you have on which you calculate zakat, you may have an idea. So what you can do, you can give zakat in advance. But this year what you have calculated, give everything as soon as possible. If you calculate the first of Ramadan, that is good, no problem. Because when you calculate it on one particular day, irrespective which day of the year it is, there is no chance that you will give less zakat. You will either give correct amount or you may give little bit more. Because if you keep on calculating every day when you got the wealth and was the wealth with you for 1 year or not, that is extremely difficult. Okay, did you give this month on which month? You got in Shaban, you got in Rajab, you got in Hajj, and then you wait, very difficult. So if you take any one particular day of the lunar year, and people normally keep Ramadan, it's very good, alhamdulillah, it's a month of blessings, you get more sawab, it's no harm at all, you can take any particular one day of the year. When you take one particular day, irrespective whether the wealth become less or more on the other days, surely if you take one particular day every year, you will either give exact amount or you will give a little bit more. You will never give less. So calculation of first Ramadan is good. Alhamdulillah, can be done. Giving throughout the year also is good. Alhamdulillah, many people do that. But what you should do, you should give in advance. This Ramadan, give in Ramadan, now you know that you're going to give $5,000 or $10,000. So approximately give that amount, distribute it over the year, no problem. And then when you calculate, when Ramadan comes and you come to know that your zakat actually was $6,000, you only paid $5,000, very well you can give the extra $1,000. Or if you thought it was going to be $5,000 and you calculated and gave only $4,000, thinking you will give $1,000 in Ramadan, and when you really calculate it on the first of Ramadan, instead of 5 it turns out to be 6, then what do? You give $2,000 in the month of Ramadan, no problem. Or hypothetically, if your zakat reduces, and now you come to know your actual zakat on calculation is only $4,000, and you have already spent the complete $5,000, no problem. You can carry forward the $1,000 for next year's zakat. So there is no harm at all giving throughout the year, and many of the rich businessmen, they give the zakat throughout the year, major portion or a bigger portion they give in Ramadan, but throughout the year they distribute. But the right ruling is you should give in advance. Giving in advance is acceptable, giving late is not acceptable unless it's a valid Sharia reason. That you could not find the poor people, or maybe you had some liquid crunch or something like that. But just a crunch is not sufficient. You can liquidate your other asset if you have to give. So delaying is not at all acceptable. But giving in advance is permitted. So if you want to give throughout the year, see to it, you give the zakat in advance, and the balance you can add in the month of Ramadan, or if you think you have given more, then you can carry forward it for the next year's zakat. Hope that answers the question.